Welcome to Cal State San Marcos, a powerhouse of higher education with a mission of student success. As a proud federally designated minority-serving institution, HSI and ANAPISI, over half of our students are first-generation trailblazers, and we serve the highest number of military-affiliated students per capita in the entire CSU. As the #1 ranked university in the nation in social mobility, we work with partners to send the message to every young person: yes, you can go to college.
The Alliance program opens doors for students who might not otherwise be on the track for college. Exposure is huge. It provides opportunities for students to see that they can go to college. If they can dream it, they can do it, and see that college is for them.
The most important thing is showing up. And I think they've done that. Making sure that those who need the step further is important. And we have one goal in mind: to make sure we have a successful community for everyone.
Faculty-student mentorship is deepened through undergraduate research, scholarship, and creative activities. As a first-generation undergraduate, Dr. Raymond Malfavon Borja was part of the Center for Training, Research, and Educational Excellence at CSUSM. He went on to get his PhD, and now, in a full-circle moment, he dedicates his time to training and mentoring underrepresented students in the sciences at CSUSM.
It means the world to me to be able to work with our students here, the chance to guide them, mentor them. I take that really seriously. We let them know that we were in similar footsteps to their own, especially myself, right? I was in their seats as an undergrad here, and now I'm on the other side of it, but we share with them that I was first generation, I was a low-income student. What's really special is in our center, everyone is first generation. We all happen to be this collection of first generation academic professionals, and I think that's one great strength with connecting with students and helping them to know that if they did it, we can do it too.
Our students learn in and out of the classroom, developing practical skills that set them apart. That includes those who are eager to strike out on their own and make a difference while doing it. Sophia Lombardi is a recent graduate who started her own sustainable swimsuit business as an undergraduate. As a member of the CSUSM Entrepreneurship Society, she won the university's annual Quick Pitch competition to fund her company and bring her vision to life.
The Quick Pitch competition really opened a lot of doors. Specifically, I was able to get introduced to the social enterprise program, which was really cool because both the students participating and myself were able to get real-world experience.
Sophia had the opportunity to lead and collaborate with fellow students, ensuring her business met its demands while maintaining her vision of sustainability.
It's so important for fashion brands to really incorporate sustainability. I decided I wouldn't be a part of that, and I knew it was my responsibility that I had, and I wasn't just going to ignore it.
With a focus on addressing critical workforce needs, our engineering program was established in 2019. Mariposa Rodarte Iman is a first-generation student blazing a trail in a field historically underrepresented in terms of diversity. Our dedicated engineering faculty are empowering students like Mariposa to raise their voices and shine brightly.
It kind of prepares me for the real field that is going to be expected, but to not be afraid and just to only push harder.
Viasat supported the founding of engineering at Cal State San Marcos because we believe in the transformational force STEM fields can have on social mobility. And we're not done yet. We continue to champion and invite community partners to join us in making an investment in Cal State San Marcos and its amazing students. The future integrated science and engineering building will have a transformational impact on our region.
Leading at the intersection of innovation and social justice, Cal State San Marcos magnifies student opportunity, transforming lives and communities.
Being one of the top universities in the nation on social mobility comes with tremendous responsibility. We owe it to our students to double down and make sure that we are serving them and that we get them to the graduation finish line.
Leading with care, fostering academic excellence, and innovating and adapting to the needs of the future. We stand as a beacon of promise and possibility.
That's the power of you. That's the power of us. That's the power of CSUSM.